this morning I'm playing a French violin, a 100-year-old Mirecourt violin from the LaBerte Humbert shop. It is a gorgeous violin, but not only the way it looks, but the way it plays and sounds. I'm going to be playing a couple of short snatches of music for you, but with two different French bows. One by Louis Morizot, the father of the Morizot clan, and then one by the sons Morizot, his children. So of each of these two bows, I will start with the first one, and then I'll play the second one, and I'll come back to the first one. First one is the father Morizot. And now the second bow, the one by the sons, which by the way also has a very beautiful swan head tip of the bow. Very nice, and very few of these were made. And there you have it.
Which bow did you like the best?
Which bow did I like the best? Ah, the father's bow.
Oh, it was really
I'm
good.
prejudiced, but the other one, I love the feel of it. It's very light, not very light, but lighter in comparison to Papa's bow. It's nickel mounted instead of silver, and then the Papa's bow is gold and tortoiseshell mounted.
Wow, that's
And
beautiful.
And it's a beautiful bow, plays gorgeously, much better than I can give it justice. So anyway, there you have the two bows.
And the violin
And the
liked
violin.
both of them.
Yes, the violin likes them both.
And you played a holiday song because
It's time to dream of a white Christmas.